Hello guys, I'm back with another video and another product, and today I will be unboxing these Lenovo LivePods. So I will be unboxing in a while, but before that let's move on to the specs. Once you unbox it, this is what you get. You get a Lenovo charging case in which you have to insert the headphones to charge them, and you get USB Type-C charging cable. And other than that, you get booklet and extra rubbers for your headphones. So this is how your charging case looks like, and the headphones are neatly tucked in. So let's charge our charging case so that our device is ready. So as you can see that the red light is on the charging case. That means that the battery of the charging case is low, so it has been charging now. So let's start it up. So at the back of the case it says that it can support 500 milliamperes of current while charging. So the battery capacity of this charging case is 300 milliampere. So that means that it has ample amount of battery, and it produces a very nice clicking sound when you open and close the case. So guys, according to the specs, each one of this headphone produces 20 milliwatts of power. So for both of them the total power produces 40 milliwatts. So 40 milliwatts is quite enough to produce good bass and nice clear and loud sound. And as far as this small hole is concerned, this is for air gesture. If you tap on this sensor, then you can play and pause the song, and even you can raise and lower the volume. So it comes in very handy, and you can even hang up the call while you're on call by tapping these holes, and there are both holes on left and right. So that's it guys, I'll be testing the sound of these speakers in next video, so stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share.